Do you like classic Chevrolet trucks? How about body swapped ones? This is on a Ford Explorer. You can see the 68 Nova we're building here on the channel. Let's do a walk around of it, introduce it to you to the channel, and let me know if you think it's cool, because I do. It's a 1956. I think it's pieced together. We got the 1-ton bed and stuff on it. Not sure about the cab, but we got these huge 2-ton fenders with these way too big of a wheel opening we're going to have to attend to. It's got the 8.8 underneath of it. Disc brake, Ford Explorer. This is a 4-wheel drive frame. It does got transfer case. Has transmission issues. This is the interior. Nothing fancy, but it gets the job done. They took 2 transmissions, built one, and you know, they put the wrong torque converter in it somehow, and it's not working. Go figure. When building hot rods, that's usually something that does happen. The body's actually pretty decent on it. It's got some dings and dents, and it's got that kind of old school patina look to it, which we can address in new upcoming videos. I'm not sure about the rims. They're 18 inches. I just ain't into them. It's got these Jeep style hood latches. And it's got a Ford 4.0 in it. They said it runs pretty good. I never heard it run, and I don't think I'm going to unless I put a transmission in it. So far it's a pain in my ass. Very much so. I got some short content on this truck of underneath of it and stuff. It's wet. It's been raining here. I'm not going to jump under it. It's got a homemade bed for and stuff in it. Kind of cool. I think the back's on bags. I think it's actually got air ride on the back. The leaf springs has been cut, so I like to fix this. I'll put some trailing arms under it. You know, that's basically what they are now. That's custom. Kind of sketchy, but custom. Ain't gonna be a very detailed video. As I said, there'd be more content on this truck. Right now I'm building a 68 Nova. Converting it from 4 doors to 2 doors. We made quite a bit of progress on it. Had a 307 in it. 200 metric transmission. Got to get it cleaned up and everything. Get it ready for the, the new motor. It's new drivetrain. It's kind of been a mess, but that's what project cars are. I didn't think I'd come up with this. I got it at a good deal. So, good deals you can't let pass you by. Are you excited for the truck or the Nova more? Let me know in the comment section. Hope you enjoyed this old truck walk around. I ain't much more I can describe. It's old.